in this another lecture of projection of solid. Now today I am taking hexagonal prism freely suspended. If you remember, in last lecture we have to draw a square pyramid freely suspended. Now in this case we take prism freely suspended. Now how we draw this problem? Now see, in freely suspended from one of its corner means we have to draw the base in resting on corner position. Now see here how we draw the hexagon. Hexagon is drawn in this way. Hexagon is drawn in this way. Means this is the position resting on corner position. Okay, so in top view we have drawn hexagon like this. This is the top view or base. Now I am going to name it as we draw earlier many questions of projection of solid of prism. So how we naming prism, you know better. So it is A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is G, H, I, J, K, and L. Now I project it. And complete the front view. So I take here height. Suppose the base of one base side is 25 and height is 50. So here we take 50 mm height. This is the height of prism. This is the height of prism. This point is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and F dash. Like this point is G dash, this is H dash, this is I dash, this is J dash, and this is again K dash, and this is L dash. Okay. If we want, we can draw the axis of solid also at the center. So we get at the center, this is the axis of solid. This is the axis of solid. Now we have to freely suspend it from this corner of base. Means this corner of base. So what is the condition when a prism is freely suspended? Now see, prism having two base. One is top and another is bottom. It is base. So if we freely suspend from this corner, so the opposite corner of base is exactly below or in a vertical line. So this line should be vertical in freely suspended position. This line is vertical when it is freely suspended. So from this condition, this is exactly at the center. So here is the CG of prism. So in this way, I am going to complete this question. So first of all, we take this corner, that is D1 dash. Now start with D1 dash. Now first of all we have to draw this line. This should be vertical when freely suspended this prism. So we have to make it vertical. Now start copy this drawing here in same manner. Suppose see the length. This is the length. We take the same length here. Means this point is G1 dash. So first we draw D1 dash at top and G1 dash at bottom. Now around this we going to complete this drawing. It is very simple. Either we have to draw this length, draw an arc from here, and of this length we have to draw an arc from here, or when we take this length we can draw these two lengths perpendicular to each other. So in any way we can draw this length. Now see here, this is the first arc from here, that is of this length, and next this length, this is another arc from here of this length. Okay. I think these two lengths are same. If we take height is 50 and the edge of this base is 25, because this length is just double of 25, means 50. Okay. So we complete this. And if we draw the parallel lines of these lines here, we can complete this diagram. So this is a parallel line from here and another parallel line from here. In this way we complete this diagram. Now we mark these points or other points also. So see, this point is our A dash and this point is our J1 dash, A1 dash. This distance is this, and this distance is this distance is this. So this point is J1 dash. Okay. Now by marking the same distances taken from here, we can mark here. So this gives us the complete all points like this. So this point is C1 dash and E1 dash, and this point is B1 dash and F1 dash, like this. This point is H1 dash, L1 dash, and this point is K1 dash, I1 dash. Join these points. We can mark axis also here. So this is our solid freely suspended. This is the front view. Now we have to draw top view. Now project it downward. Now simple process of projection. Now the projectors are too many, so carefully draw all projectors through all points. Now see, assure that all points, projectors through all points or corners should be drawn. Now from here, now this is the complete process when we draw all projectors. Now first of all, find the intersection points. That is very important and carefully find. See, this point is A1. Is it? Check it. This point is A1. Next, this point is B1. Next, this point is C1. Next, this point is D1. Next, this point is E1 and this point is F1. So this is the first base, the corners of first base. Now next, this point is G1. Means what? D and G are on same position, on same projector. Now like this point is H1, this point is I1, this point is J1, this point is K1 and this point is L1. So these are the intersection points. Now we start to complete this drawing. Now how we complete? Same process as we repeat in last problems. First of all, mark an arrow here. This is the process. What is the meaning of this arrow? Either this is direction of process or this is direction of observer. Now first we see the base. This is the base A, B, C, D, E and this is the base G, H, I, J, K, L. Now this base is nearer to observer, so it is always visible. So first of all, we complete this base, which is visible. So we darken the A, B, C, D, E. This base is visible. Now our second step is first complete the outer line or border line, which is always visible. So we complete the border line or outer line of this prism. See. See, this is the outer line or border line of prism and this is a base visible. So this we complete first by dark lines. Now the remaining part, which is invisible or visible, that is either edge of base or edge of face, we have to draw. Now how? Now first complete this base by drawing remaining lines hidden. Means, what is the meaning of this? That these lines are not visible. These lines of base are not visible. These lines of base are not visible. Now we have to complete the edge of face. Edge of face. Now see here, we have to draw one edge of face, that is AG. AG. And next edge of face, that is DJ. DJ. Now how we draw? See, this is the base hidden, so we have to draw it, this is the base completely visible, So we have to draw here a hidden line, and this is a base hidden. So we have to draw here a complete line. Continue. Okay. So in this way we complete this diagram. Now if you want to check, you check it that all edges of face you have to draw. Many edges are already drawn when we complete the first step, and remaining edges we have to draw lastly. Okay. So this is our complete top view. When a prism is freely suspended. Okay. So in next lecture we will take another problem, that is either of cone or cylinder, and we finish this topic. Okay.